Best Indoor Steam Sauna Kits. Number 1. SmartMag Indoor Steam Sauna Kits. Within 1 minute to set up and store, the tent is super portable with a carrying bag and can be folded up for storage in a closet, under bed, in the trunk, etc. at a breeze. 2 liters large steamer with remote control, time control can be up to 99 minutes. And the evaporator is also explosion proof and dry safe, which keep you safe and worry free. Double-sided zipper allows you to enter and exit without difficulty. Inner layer is waterproof PVC material, easy to clean after enjoy a wonderful sauna time. Whitening and skin care, enhance skin elasticity, especially women are most obvious, and enhance human immunity and promote wound healing, keep fit.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 2. Tariad Indoor Steam Sauna Kits. Detachable frame allows you to disassemble for easy storage, and the stainless steel structure is not easily deformed, guaranteeing a long service life. The sauna tent is highly sealed, with sweat-absorbing mats, which can be machine washable, an ultra-comfortable chair and a remote control. A person who can bear a weight of 270 pounds or less and a height of 75 inches or less. Tariad steam tent is made of high-quality thermal insulation fabric to prevent heat loss and is so easy to clean. 304 stainless steel steamer lining is resistant to high temperature and corrosion. Hot air glue at the bottom is leak-proof. Steam tent adopts high-quality thermal insulation fabric to prevent heat loss and is easy to clean.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 3. buildup Indoor Steam Sauna Kits. Only 5 minutes to set up. The double-headed zipper gives you access without difficulty. The felt pad can be placed under the chair, making the seat anti-slip. Foldable chair and storage bag are included. 3 transparent window gives you a whole open view, and the front removable window can be opened directly to breathe fresh air when you feel uncomfortable. Our full-size sauna room is a great gift for your partner, friends, families on birthday, Thanksgiving, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas and other festivals. 4 layers of insulation thickened waterproof fabric, prevent heat loss and keep warm well, and stable and strong frame structure of ABS pipe connection.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 4. Upstaycore Indoor Steam Sauna Kits. The health benefits of using home spa sauna tent include improved skin tone, shape your body, relieve stiffness and joint pain, increase blood circulation, promotes more restful sleep, reduces stress, and increase overall energy level. Use this steam sauna to relax while reading books, listening to music, play on your mobile phone, watch movies and so on. Handheld control, with 6 automatic timer options, you can easily decide the length of time that is right for you. The newest 2 liters capacity steam pot, with timing and power adjustment, anti-dry, anti-leakage, anti-explosion, automatic power cut protection, anti-leakage protection.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 5. Serene Life Indoor Steam Sauna Kits. The adjustable heat that radiates from the infrared sauna and included food mat soothes achy muscles, helps prevent fatigue, detoxes the system of impurities and melts your cares away. Ensure health benefits. This portable personal sauna ensures to lose weight, remove toxin, reduce stress, and fatigue. When you are enjoying a book, magazine, TV show, losing weight, and your body is shaping, there is nothing better than this. Includes sauna folding chair. While other saunas require you to build your own sauna room using your own stool or chair, our portable sauna comes a comfortable and foldable sauna chair for comfortable seating so you can enjoy and relax after work.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.